Your body all around. What can you do with your body? Sam puts an apple on his head. Timmy puts his hands on his ears. Sally looks at you with her eyes. Robert opens up his mouth. Lily shows her white teeth. Hannah holds a teddy bear on her shoulders. Marcus stretches his strong chest and arms. Sarah folds her arms. Benny waves his 2 hands. Tara tickles her belly. Dana uses her legs to run. Cristy puts her hands on her knees. Pete shows us his feet. Baby Bella sucks on her toes. What can you do with your body? The end.